Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
What are we going to do for today?
Jollibee mukbang.
Very good.
I like it.
You like ice cream?
I like
Oh, later na, baby. Later na. Later na. Oh, anong meron tayo dito ngayon? We have...
Jollibee mukbang.
And then, what is this? We have... What is this? What is this? What is that? G.
Cheese.
Look! Nakita pati mo. Oh, what we have here?
Kitchen Joy.
Okay, then we have this one. What is this?
French fries.
French fries. Then we have Jolly. And then, what is this? Spaghetti. And we have peach mango pie, burger, and ano yun? Ice cream. Yay!
I'll eat.
Later na, ilalagay ko muna sa freezer ulit. Kasi kakain ka pa ng food.
Open.
Later na. Eat ka muna ng chicken, ha?
No, ice cream.
Opo, mamaya kay magtunaw.
Tunaw.
Saka chicken. Ayan.
This is yun. This is
Kain na.
okay.
Kamay ka na lang.
It's moving.
Sorry, like mama. Look mama. Come on. Very good.
Sige, kain mo muna. Kain na. Yummy? Yummy? You want gravy? Do you want gravy? Nice. Okay. Hindi yan para dyan. Meron pa yung ketchup. Yes, meron ketchup. Kain na. Ano, guys? Kain na. Eat na, eat na.
Ice cream.
Malaki kasi ng sinubon. Mahalikot sa lang. Hindi, kain na. Hindi. Kain na. Si Rice. Kain ka na, Rice. Ikutit mo. Yummy. Imimix ko na yung spaghetti mo, ha? Kailangan may tingin sa camera. Tumitingin talaga sa camera. Galing oh. Kain ka ng dami na. Dahan-dahan lang. Galing oh. Help kita? May rice yung buso. Halika.
Messy.
Kasi hindi ka naman titulog. Kain ka na, dali. Hindi mo naman maubusin yung rice mo eh. Kasi kakain ka pa ng spaghetti. Kung spaghetti. Ano gusto mo? Wait lang. Mix ka naman.
Mama, why you eating adult?
No? Ang tipid nila sa sauce.
Agad ka chicken ganyan.
No. Basic pig.
Very big.
Ayaw mo na? Pagkita ka na? Careful lang yung hands mo, baka matusok. Sarap. Sarap. Hotdog. Ano ba na hotdog? Hotdog ba yan? And what is this? Spaghetti, di ba? Yummy? Uy!
Wow!
Yummy?
I want it.
Ayaw mo? Why?
dito.
Hotdog yung hotdog. Ayaw mo yung why no? It's yummy. Delicious. Mami na lang. Ah. Yummy anak. What's funny? Ano, tatawa. Be careful. Try it, anak. Yummy.
Cheese. Cheese.
Ano ito, cheese? Cheese na kain mo?
Masarap.
Hotdog din yun, pero iba lang flavor yung hotdog. Try this one, anak. This is yummy. This is peach mango pie. There's a mango inside. Okay. Yummy. That one, no? This is peach.
Masamin eh.
Anak mo, masamin ikaw. Ano? Sarap?
Sarap, no?
Kain na, kain na.
Tamis?
Sarap kaya.
How about burger?
No.
Burger, it's yummy. There's a cheese inside. Ano? Kagat ka. It's yummy. There's a cheese inside. Ayun.
Iba lang.
There's a cheese inside.
Iba yan, di ba?
Yummy?
Tula dun.
Tulog. Ayun na. Okay. Ano? Busog na? Yes? Yes?
And then,
Yes? What do you want?
apple.
Ice cream? Oh, wait lang. Ako na, kukuha.
Ako na.
What's this? It's? What do you want?
Chocolate ice cream.
Kulang na. Kulang na, no?
Yummy? Ah, hey, mami. Subo, mami.
Oh,
Ang lasa na. Salitan.
Dapat, ay, ano, try. Pwede ko hindi parang ice cream. Di ba, yummy? Favorite na mami, binigit ko sa ice cream. Try mo itong bagong ice cream nila. May bago silang ice cream. This one. This is a caramel popcorn sundae. May mana. Try this one. How was it? Oh, good! Water ha? Drink water after. I like it.
oh,
Sarap.
pulas ako.
Ano na yung mga favorite food mo, anak?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Ano pa? Spaghetti. Yan mga favorite mo. Spaghetti, ice cream, and then yung fries.
Wow.
Are you happy? Are you happy?
Wow, ako! Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!
Approve? Approve?
Approve!
Approve!
I love you guys.